Looking for ways to get tech working for your staff training programs? Perhaps you've checked out some virtual reality options, but they're a bit out of your reach. The good news is you don't have to go back to old school methods. There are alternatives using technology that your team may be pretty familiar with already. Wearable technology is a tech category that includes devices like virtual reality headsets, but also cover things like smartwatches, wristband trackers, wireless earbuds, and smart headphones. Even a smartphone in a sports armband could qualify as wearable tech. There are two ways in which you can leverage wearable technology like this in staff training. The first is to put information in. A smartwatch or smartphone can become a handy tool for bite-sized training. They can display short videos, quizzes, guidelines, or checklists. Even without knowing how to code, you could use one of the app creation tools around like Optimise or Shout'em to build these. Just check whether you're developing your app for an Android device or an Apple one, as not all app creation tools cater for both. But you could go even simpler and access web-hosted content through your device's browser, videos from YouTube or information from private web pages, or even Google Docs. Just remember to keep content short and snappy for the small screen. You can also use these devices to send timely reminders to help people review key learning points on the go, or perhaps highlight safety tips on a day when hazardous activity is taking place. One way to do this is to use Google Assistant. You can even use its Family Groups feature to schedule and send reminders to a whole team at once. Wireless earbuds and smart headphones can be used in conjunction with other devices to support audio learning. You could record instructions for operating a piece of equipment, which a team member could download and listen to while familiarizing themselves with its use. Provided the earbuds or headset have a microphone, team members can use voice assistants to retrieve useful information, open manuals, or listen to lectures or audiobooks, or access FAQs. Audio learning can also be used to provide remote one-on-one coaching or even team coaching. The second way to leverage wearable technology is to use it to take information out. Wearable tech that incorporates motion and biofeedback sensors or GPS trackers can gather information about an employee's movements and physiological responses during training sessions or everyday work activities. It's just like using a fitness tracker, but you're using the data to help people move safely and efficiently to streamline floor layouts and workflows, or avoid accidents and burnout. Or it can reveal what things engage them to better fit people to tasks, or find where they need to build their skill set and provide other personalized feedback. Just be careful with this model that you're staying on the right side of the Privacy Act. The employee is entitled to know exactly what personal data is being captured, the reasoning for gathering it, who it will be shared with, how it is kept secure, how long you are going to keep it, and must give their consent. Talk to your HR or legal advisor if you are unsure about this. It also might pay to sound it out with your employees. If they feel it's a little too big brother for them, the impact on morale might outweigh the benefits of the tech. Implementing wearables involves assessing training needs, selecting the best device and approach for your purpose and budget, developing content on a compatible platform, pilot testing, and familiarizing employees with the tech before putting it to work. Start small and review feedback from the devices and employees before scaling up to more teams or developing new training modules. Think about parking the whiteboards, sticky notes, PowerPoints, and talking heads, and test drive wearable technology to create effective, engaging staff training programs.